Guys, welcome back to another video. This phone's trash. Yeah, still don't have a phone. It'd probably be the same thing for the main video. 2 videos this week. We pulled the truck over here. I might as well just give it a good wash today. It's a nice day. Hopefully no more rain this summer. But yeah, this is a 1972 Ford F-250 with a bullnose tail in bed, which is a really dirty vehicle, thing. I might have to bring out the pressure washer, but I don't know. So, waste no more time and start pressure washing this. Also, if there's any, anybody that has any, any channel or anybody has some, like, car cleaning products you want somebody to review and stuff, well, hit me up, because yeah, I clean cars quite a lot, and I've been looking for the right stuff, and so far I haven't found it. But yeah, anyone also knows any cheap track phones I can use to record with good quality, also let me know about that. But this phone's garbage, but looking all nice and clean. Yeah. No more moss. Needs new paint job. But I like to save this fender at least, and maybe the doors, but got a front bumper right there. California plates. I got the rare Sparkle edition. Only one of them made. But I think it was a plow truck once. But yeah. Looks pretty nice. Wondering if you were watching my last video how well it held up to water. Very well. That water is for me from spraying in air. It needs a bit more well than air, but a little bit came out from there because on the firewall there's a hole there, and I would do it when I take off the inner fenders and stuff. But yeah, all of this is doing well. The door seals need to be replaced. Closes nicely though. I'm sorry, but this is as far as this phone can zoom out, but pretty nice looking. Got a pretty nice bed in here. Dad wants to either get original bed or flatbed it. I don't like flatbeds much, but alright. Left a little bit of moss on there accidentally, but she cleaned up pretty well. Yeah, probably will have to pull the engine out because it's a bit of an issue where, yeah, it's leaking stuff and I don't know where. The coolant, I don't know if a head gasket or a cracked block. Hopefully not. I don't think it's you know, those freeze plugs, but yeah, I think she cleaned pretty nice. The roof is all nice. Tires are still holding air. Stupid ants. Killing all the plants in the rain is too, but yeah, probably it. Let me go ahead and put you on the tripod and do outro. Alright, like I said, 2 videos this week, but yeah, I don't know if it's phone. I'm using some kind of Motorola, Razor, whatever the crap. Max X, but it's junk. The Samsung Galaxy S5 did, S4 did better than this, but still looking for parts. I don't parts for these. Yeah, ain't finding any like used fenders and stuff on Facebook Marketplace. Probably buy these taillight bezels brand new, but yeah, I think the next step for this truck is dropping the transmission to do out the clutch or throat bearing, but yeah, that won't be for a little bit, but that will be the next video on this truck. If you see another video about this truck after this, either doing some other things, or it will be dropping the transmission and naturally driving it. So be a lookout for that. Subscribe if you want to see that, guys. Also, yeah, I can't do shorts, so channel growth is going to be slow, but you guys want to help out, hit that subscribe button, helps me out, and hit the like button, also shares with everybody. Also, if you don't mind, if you're new to the channel or old to the channel, watch some other videos. I'm close to 1,000 watch time hours. I need 4,000, and I can start getting paid from YouTube and getting merchandise. Every single dollar will go into this channel, but until I upload another video about some other car here, please go check out everybody. There's Whiskey Dance, Classic Car Revivals. Those two are doing giveaways on some trucks. I recommend checking them out. But yeah, links to the channel description. But check out 1776 Garage. There's a Bono's truck with this. Looking for an 80s Camaro. Also check out 1776 Garage. I think he'll be uploading another video soon, so cross your fingers. Also, maybe in December, we'll be getting another project. I'm not gonna give any hints, but well, okay. It's a 9. Hopefully, I don't know. We're negotiating, but still talking back and forth. But yeah, it's not a Ford, and it's a '60s vehicle. It's a truck. Whoops. But you gotta guess what. But yeah, check out Oktane Garage with a K. Yeah. I can't watch anybody's videos, so if anybody that's watching this and makes videos and I don't watch them comment, I apologize. It's just so horrible on laptops. I like doing stuff by phone, but check out Honest Peyton Speed Shop. I think what it is, yeah. Sorry if I got it wrong, but he got some cool Fords. I believe there's one like a Roadster with I don't know. It looks like a Chevy engine. No, it wasn't a Roadster. It was the hardtop, I think, with some GM engine, I think, because it's distributed, or it was a Y block. I don't know. I apologize, but I just saw Classic Car Revival's filling with its distributor. But yeah, check out Honest Peyton. Yeah, I said that. Arco from Outlaw Edge. Go check out Outlaw Edge, everybody. Yeah. He does some cool videos there. Just a couple months ago, he did a drag racing video down in Upper Michigan. I know I say this every time, but sorry if I just don't see your videos. It's just so chaotic on the laptop. But check out Oktane Garage, and he's doing I think a early to late '60s Ford, a generation before this, I think. Sorry if I got it wrong, but yeah, go check him out. He's a veteran. He also supports ours veterans, so thank you so much, everybody. But who else is there? I am absolutely sorry if I forgot anybody. But there'll be links in the description. Yeah, I really apologize, but yeah, it's been a good video. Hopefully, no, camera sucks. Last video sucked because the stupid cap cut on the laptop. It messes up your footage when you do time lapsing. But yeah, hopefully do the green card, do the trunk. Hopefully it'll be a nice week. I don't know. God only will tell. Yeah, so see you guys in the next video. Hopefully be driving this truck soon. And Christine, and the Sunliner, and Ruby. Need an engine for the purple car, so stay tuned for that.